Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to put your VSCO link in your Instagram bio. VSCO is a photo editing and photography website primarily aimed at professionals. Although the VSCO app receives less social media attention compared to platforms like Instagram, there is overlap in their user bases. Integrating the two websites for posting and sharing is a common request. While there isn't a platform-specific tool for integration, there is a workaround. To share your professional quality pictures with a larger social media audience, integrating VSCO and Instagram through your personal profile is the best way. Here's how you can do it. Open the VSCO app, tap on the smiley face icon at the bottom of the screen, tap Share under your username, and select a Notes app. Your VSCO profile link will be automatically pasted. Copy the link, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, select the website option, and paste the copied link. Tap Check, and click on the VSCO link to ensure it works. And that's how you can add your VSCO link to your Instagram bio. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Bye!